Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the trending topic today. It's been a week since the release of ChatGPT and it has blown the people's mind on how it works. It has also broken record to get 1 million users sign in within 5 days. It is even faster than Twitter, Netflix and even Instagram. Now, you don't need to use Google to solve your problem. You can use GPT instead. So the first question comes is, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational chatbot. It has been developed by Elon Musk founded independent research body which is OpenAI. The organization was co-founded by its current CEO Sam Altman and Elon Musk in 2015. So basically you can have a conversation with a chatbot where you can write your queries and it will give you all the details regarding your problem. The next question comes, what is GPT? GPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer is a type of artificial intelligence or AI model developed by OpenAI. So basically this AI has been pre-trained to answer your queries. The next question comes, how to use ChatGPT? So let's go to our screen and see how we can use it. Open Chrome, type OpenAI. You can see this openai.com link. Click on this OpenAI link. It will bring you to the official page of OpenAI. Click on try. It will bring you to the ChatGPT page. This is quite simple UI developed by OpenAI team. So you can see it has given examples, capabilities and limitations. You can have also dark and light mode. So now let's start trying. You can give any query to ChatGPT and it will give you the answer. So let's write an article on AI. Now let's see what it gives us. You can see it has given all the descriptions regarding artificial intelligence. Next, let's try to write a palindrome code in Java. So let's give the query, write a Java code for palindrome. Let's see what it gives. So you can see it will give you the palindrome code. It not only give you the code, it will also give you the use cases and description regarding the code. You can also type what is Elon Musk and it will give you the details regarding Elon Musk. So that's the beauty of ChatGPT. The next question comes, can ChatGPT replace Google? Let's see this. Now, despite the model being the latest generation of technology, it is not without flaws. Professionals are pointing out the platform's shortcomings. For example, a professor at UC Berkeley has shown in a series of tweets how ChatGPT is not free from biases and that its filters can easily be bypassed with simple tricks. So, the answer to the question above is a simple no, at least for now. I think ChatGPT is here to stay. It will revolutionize a lot of industries. It will also change how we search and solve our problems. This is truly my opinion. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment. That's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thanks for watching.